Welcome back to Randai Hobby channel. Can you make a painting out of rocks? Yes, you can. It is easy. You can employ your imagination and creativity to have a really unique result. Do you like what you see? First, we need rocks. The more interesting and rare the rocks, the more interesting the result will be. We found some interesting rocks in a small but beautiful waterfall deep in the mountains. When the rocks get dry, they lose the shiny wet and deep color effect. A good solution to bring back this interesting effect is to paint the rocks with some transparent varnish. For example, nail polish. Of course, you can try other methods. Now we are establishing a layout of the final picture. I use a normal picture frame. I remove the front glass and also the paper that divides the pictures. What remains is the frame and the back cover. The rocks will be glued directly on the back cover using hot glue gun. Of course, the extra threads left from the hot glue gun needs to be cleaned at the end. And this is it. We have the painting made of rocks. Now hang it on the wall and continue the decoration. Like and wait. Let's do some more. This time a bit differently. We take smaller rocks, paint them with the same transparent nail polish to bring back the wet-like shine and the deep color. Notice the evolution of the color before and after the nail polish. Our daughter, doing what children do best, playing and getting curious. After the nail polish cures on the rocks, it's time to use the hot glue gun again. We use a picture frame. It's quite a lot of work with the small but many rocks, but it is quite a relaxing activity, good for stress relief. What is more annoying is the cleaning of the threads left by the hot glue gun. This is the final result. Okay, there are actual family pictures there, so I won't show them. Did you like it? Well, give a like and subscribe if you haven't already.